What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Fear and greed. That's what I want to talk about in this video. So this video is not about a particular token. It's not about a particular asset. It's not about a particular investment. And it's more about human psychology. It's more about the mindset. And I want to focus on fear and greed because these two emotions tend to wreck us as investors. Fear and greed, what do? At the end of the day, it's really, really simple. Fear and greed get in the way of our long-term investment goals. Fear and greed, when we let them creep into our investment decisions, they disable us from seeing the long-term future. They disable us from seeing the big picture. Whenever we're looking at things through the lens of emotions as investors, we've already lost. So one of the key things that I want to keep harping on as we get closer and closer to this bull run, guys, is not letting our emotions dictate our decisions. We cannot be emotional investors if we want to be successful investors at the end of the day. Successful investors do not get flustered during times of during good times, and they don't get flustered during bad times. Staying even keel, staying somewhere in the middle is so important to long-term success. And with cryptocurrency, it's probably harder than any other market to stay even keeled. It's probably harder than any market in terms of not letting our emotions run us and make irrational decisions. And I think so much of it is FOMO. So much of it is chasing the next biggest thing. And I'm going to be making a lot of these type of videos because this message is so important to get out there. You've got to have your own investment thesis. You should be listening to a variety of different voices, but not doing as they say. You should be hearing and listening to them, taking that back into your investment strategy with an investment journal, I would advise, and make your best decisions ahead of this next bull run. What do you want your crypto portfolio to look like in 2026? You could be planning that now. Why are you waiting? Certainly there are things that will pop up along the way, maybe good opportunities, and you can always pivot and strategize around that. But planning now sets you up for down the road. Planning now will allow you to push those emotions to the side when they start creeping in, because you're going to feel FOMO, whether you like it or not. You're going to feel that fear and greed at some point. But if you have a strong thesis and a strong reason why your strategy is what it is, you won't let it affect your decision making. Point blank, period. So fear and greed are the two things that I think wreck crypto investors the most. And if we can get those in check and have a solid mindset, we're setting ourselves up for massive success in which I think is going to be the biggest cryptocurrency bull run maybe ever. So if you guys like this video, let me know down below. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys are just dropping by for the first time, subscribe down below. And genuinely, guys, I really want to get your thoughts on these style videos. Please let me know in the comment section. I appreciate each and every one of you, from the people who've been here for 2.5+ years to the people who are just finding this video right now. Let's continue to grow together. Let's not let our emotions dictate our decision making ahead of this massive crypto bull run. Appreciate you guys. Stay locked in, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.